Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have the Properties panel open. If you don't see it, click on the Window tab and then select Properties. Next, go to the toolbar and activate the Type tool or press the T key on your keyboard. Once the Type tool is active, go to the Program Monitor and click anywhere inside the panel to create your text. Now type out your text. After you finish typing, double clicking inside the text box to highlight all of the text. Then go to the Properties panel and open the text section where you can change the font. After that, go to the Align and Transform section. Click on Scale. Hover over the blue number value and click and drag to the right to increase the size of your text. If you want your text in all caps, go to the text section and click on the all caps icon. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.